Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to protect the app script code in Google Spreadsheet. So guys, watch till the end so you can understand more. So first, just simply go to your Google Spreadsheet. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on data over here on the top. And here on the data, you should be able to see a drop down and just simply go for the protect sheets and the ranges. So from here, just simply click on this one and you should be able to see here on the left side, just simply go to add a sheet or range. So guys, from here, you will have two options. So from here, you can select a range by just simply clicking on this one, select date range. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and select a range on the Excel, which you can protect it. And you can just simply click on OK and you can set permissions. And from here, you will have two options. You can either show a warning when editing this range, and you can just simply click on done, or you can just simply go ahead and restrict who can edit this range. So you can go for only you, or you can go for custom, which from here you can add another email where you can give someone a permission, and from there you should be able to protect it. And another option that you have is just simply go ahead and go for copy permissions from another range, and from here you can select permission from another range. Or what you could try to do is just simply protect the whole sheet, or you can accept a certain cell if you prefer. And from here, just simply click on set permissions and it will be the same thing. And from here, just simply click on done once you are done. And if you want to remove a certain one, you can just simply click on it and you will have the delete button over here and click on remove. There you go. See ya.